Hey everybody, it's Nikki here, and today this video is going to be about tips on clearing blockages. Okay, so many things going on in our life. We deal with so many different things. I mean, just left and right things they can be thrown at us basically. Okay, and so I just want to go over some quick tips on how to help clear your blockages. Okay, first of all, it's going to require you to have a sheet of paper and a pen and yourself in a quiet space, okay? And what you want to do is write down the list of all of your blockages. Everything that is holding you back, whether it could be your mindset, it could be something, a person, a thing, a situation that's holding you back. Write down any and everything that you feel is a blockage in your life and write it down on a sheet of paper, okay? And then after that, you want to write down all the things that you wish to accomplish. So essentially all of your goals. Write down all of your goals, all the things that you want to accomplish. It doesn't matter how far off it may seem. It doesn't matter how you may think that it's not possible. Any and everything that you want to accomplish, write it down on another sheet of paper. Okay? So then after that, what you want to do is now meditate. Meditate. You want to get in a very quiet space where you are still and you're at one with yourself and connecting with the Most High. So you want to sit for 5 minutes in complete meditation style, complete silence, and become one with yourself. Once you become one with yourself, you're becoming more in tune with yourself and in tune with the things that you want and wish to bring about in your life. And while you're in that quiet space, I want you to concentrate on your breathing. Take in deep breaths and breathe out. Okay? Breathe in and breathe out through your nose. Okay? Deep breaths and concentrate on your breathing for 5 minutes. Once you finish with that, you can open your eyes. You can even set a timer if you want, and it'll go off after the 5 minutes. Then you open your eyes, and what I want you to do is take the list that has the blockages on it. We're going to throw it away. We're going to toss it in the trash. We are changing our mindset. We are tossing these things, these mindsets, these beliefs that no longer serve us, these people, these things that no longer serve us. We are trashing it, and we're starting brand new with the second list that you wrote, which are your goals. And what I want you to do is take those lists of accomplishments and goals that you wish to meet, and I want you to place it somewhere that you go every morning to remind you of what you need to do. And I want you to start off small and get big. No need in starting really, really big because it makes it really hard. Start off with something small on the list just so you can get used to building up these accomplishments, okay? And then check mark them off as you have done them. It's a self-esteem builder. It's going to build up your confidence, and it's going to help you to push further to meeting your biggest goal of all on that list. I hope this helped somebody today. Please, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to hit me up. This is just a quick tip that I feel like I want to share with everybody. This should be able to help somebody. It certainly has helped me. And so with that being said, I want everybody to have a great day. Peace, love, and talk to you later.